Hi, my name is Gabriela from TulipArt Designs, and you are absolutely welcome to my channel where I give you some creative tips and watercolor sketching ideas for your free time. In today's video, I want to help you discover how to make your own autumn palette or how to create your own beautiful colors from a limited watercolor palette you already had. So I have some watercolors here. I will use my round brush for this, but it's okay to use any other brush because I am showing you how to mix a very nice autumn colors. We have the color wheel, and we have cold colors, and we have warm colors. For the autumn palette, I would say that all the colors that are out there in this season, they are a bit muted. So let's see how we can get this. Let's say we have orange and reds, and we have some greens, but they are a bit more warm. So to do this, we need to add the opposite color from the color wheel. So if we have green and we want to mute that color to create it a bit, not so vibrant, then we just add a little bit of the opposite color that stays, on the watercolor wheel. So if we have green, let's say this, and we want to make it a bit muted, then on the opposite we have kind of a red. So we will grab, I already have some reds here, so let's say we added some reds, and this is our result. So I added oranges and reds. To get this one. Let's say we have blue, but we really want to mute it down to use it in our autumn sketch. So if we have blue, we need to add orange because orange is on the opposite. So I have some orange here. Then I will add a little bit of blue. Let's just grab some. So let's see what kind of a blue we have now. Just a bit muted. And I just added this. So you can see that we really have a very nice color. And then if we have red and we want to make it a bit muted again, we add the opposite, so just a little bit of green. So let's clean here a little bit, grab some red, and we will add green to this, but we really add very small amount to mute this down. let me just put the original red here. This is the muted version. What did we add? Was a little bit of green. Then for the yellow, we have purple on the other side. So I have a little bit of purple here. So let's grab a lot of yellow and bring it in. And I am adding very small amount of purple. So I have a nice yellow. But let's put also the original. I don't know why I'm just starting with the mix. But never mind. So we had this vibrant yellow that turned into this by adding some purple. Where do I have purple? Here. Okay. And I am missing the muted orange, which means let's grab some from here. Because I don't really have orange, I am mixing light yellow, light red with yellow to have this orange. And I will grab my extra palette. I have some orange here, and I will add purple to it to have this nice muted orange like this. So I just added purple here. My scheme is not looking so beautifully today, but I really hope that you understood what's the way to get muted colors that will be perfect for your autumn watercolor palette. That was it for today. I hope you enjoyed it and you learned something today. I hope it was helpful. If you don't want to miss any other video, just consider subscribing for my channel, because this is how you can help me grow here on YouTube. I will see you next time. Bye!